Welcome to Plumb Works Academy, where we teach you the home plumbing basics that your granddad knew.
Hello, I'm Jerome Sable, and welcome to Plumb Works Academy. Today we're going to talk about what's that noise. A lot of people will call and say they hear all different types of noises. A lot of times they'll hear it at night because the house is quiet, and they might think something's wrong. So it's something that you definitely need to check out and make sure it doesn't become a bigger problem in the future. The first sound we're going to talk about today is rattling, and that may sound like this. Rattling is generally caused by loose pipes. Pipes should be secured every so often. So what we'll do is walk around, and any piping that we can see, we'll make sure they're secured. A lot of times if they're not and we re-secure them, you're all set. This is something you can do yourself. Walk around your basement, maybe your crawl space if you want to get in there. And if you do see those pipes that are not strapped, try strapping them, and you might cure the problem. The next sound that you'll hear is knocking, banging, or water hammering, and it may sound like this. So with knocking, water hammer, and banging pipes, one of the issues is what they call water hammer. When your appliances shut off very quickly, you'll hear that knocking sound. One solution is to add water hammer devices, and they can be installed behind each appliance. Sometimes as a homeowner you can do this. It's depending how handy you are, it's not too hard of a task, but if not, call your plumber and he can take care of that for you. The next sound that you may call about is squealing, screeching, anything like that, and that may sound like. Typically, that is caused by a certain fixture or faucet. You may turn on your faucet and hear a little squealing sound, or you may flush your toilet and hear another type of screeching sound. Usually that can be pinpointed and fixed. If you're handy and you know how to replace those parts, you can definitely try it out. If not, call your local plumber and he should be able to take care of that for you. And next we're going to talk about gurgling, and this is what it may sound like. Usually that pertains to a drain line or your main sewer line going to the street backing up. So once you hear the gurgling noise, I would definitely check into it because it's usually a precursor of what's about to come. You should check your fixtures, run them, turn on faucets, flush toilets, and see if something starts to back up, because there's a good chance that it will, and you'll probably want to call your plumber sooner than later. So earlier we talked about banging pipes, squealing pipes, water hammer. A lot of those could be attributed to your pressure regulating valve. Plumbers normally will always check your pressure when they come to your house. If this is bad, this could be the cause of all those aforementioned squeaky pipes, banging pipes. So always have your pressure checked out, and this may be a simple solution just to replace your pressure regulating valve. To sum it all up, noises can be a little irritating, scary, but usually it's not a big deal. Your pipes are not going to explode, but it's something that you want to address sooner than later. So if you can't find the issue, definitely call your plumber and he should be able to help you out. And again, thank you for watching Plumb Works Academy.
Raise your plungers with pride. Adulting achievement unlocked.